All right, what's going on YouTube? Coach Bryan Turner, Coach 316, back at you again with another tutorial, another video. I was thinking about this shot the other day that it's kind of like a lost art, okay? Not too many youngsters, or even just, I'll say this generation, they don't utilize the bank shot, okay? What is the bank shot? In about 90, almost to about 75 to 90% of baskets all over the country will have a square on the baskets. Now, the importance of this square is, and I was taught at a young age, if you just bank the ball off the glass where the square is, you got a good chance of that ball going in, okay? Basketball has always been about angles. If you can position yourself on the court at the right angle, when you catch the ball, you can boost up your percentage of shooting just by the angle that you kiss the ball off the glass, whether if it's kissing it off the glass, hitting the square, or a bank shot on the layup, or the same with a jump shot, okay? So I'm gonna talk to you guys about the art of the bank shot, okay? Now, what I like to do with describing the court is that I always like to start with bank shots off the block, okay? Once you catch the rhythm of doing 5 or 10 from the block, 5 or 10 form shooting, 5 or 10 from the block, and then 5 or 10 from the volleyball court angle, kissing it off the glass. It's a lost art, a very, very lost art, but this can be something that you add to your game, all right? Hope you got some value out of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment, and I will check you guys on the